In a rain-soaked city morning, a curious barista uncovers 5 hidden hacks that transform a chaotic shift into calm. First, she reuses empty cups as makeshift funnels, guiding spill-prone syrups into bottles without waste or mess. Second, a conveyor belt joke turns into a workflow map, letting coworkers predict bottlenecks before they appear. Third, she calibrates timers with metronomes from a discarded music class, keeping espresso shots precise across busy stretches. Finally, she leaves a postcard at the counter describing these tiny fixes, inviting strangers to share their own city hacks.